The easiest way to withdraw World from your WorldCoin app. What is the easiest way? So you just basically go to your wallet, as you can see, because this withdrawal, it doesn't always work. So you see it's glitching out. So what is the easiest way? The easiest way is you just go to your wallet or Wallet ID, and then you just use gift cards, and then you select your country, whatever you have, and then you see brands which are available in here, and then you just basically withdraw to this, just buy whatever you need with specific brands, and then you can just easily see the pricing in here, and then just buy it. Enter your address, only be redeemable from Philippines, and this is just what you get. So that's basically the idea. And then it works, and it's super fast, and it's not glitchy, and you can instantly spend it. So that's alternative way if you can't withdraw to your crypto exchange.